back to my channel. This week I'm going to show you how to make this cute little vintage Pluto. Isn't he adorable? He's only a little bit creepy, but we love him. Anyway, without any further ado, let me show you how to make this vintage Pluto plush. The pattern I'm using for this project is Simplicity 8541. I'm using this corduroy fabric for his main body, some felt for the eyes, Ross grain ribbon for his collar, some embroidery thread for some details, and then these Disney dead stock tags that I found at Arthur's Emporium. The first step of any project is of course to cut out all the pieces and then to mark all of the notches and markings, and there are so many in this pattern. I found at this part of the project it was actually a lot easier for me to add all of the detail stitches, like the lines on his nose and his smile, and I did this using a tight zigzag stitch on my sewing machine. Quick note about the ears, I made them from a single layer of leather rather than two pieces of fabric sewed together and then turned right side out. That's just because I like the look of a single layer of leather. And once again, just like the ears, I also made the tail from a single layer of leather. I did with Mickey and Minnie before him, I opted to leave out the wire armature because once again I was giving these to kids and I didn't want to risk them poking through and hurting them. And there you have it. That is how I made the most goodest boy of all time. Like seriously, look how adorable this is. Need I remind you of the other two that were in this pattern with him? No good. Scary. I would actually make this one again. Yeah, he's adorable. He isn't giving me nightmares. He just looks really sad and like he needs a cuddle and a friend. If you do want to see how I made his absolutely terrifying nightmare fuel captors, owners, whatever you want to call them, here is a link up top and down below to making Mickey and Minnie from the same pattern. I still can't believe they're the same pattern. How can you have something so cute and then something so terrifying in the same thing? Anyway. If you like this video, please consider leaving a like down below. Leave me a comment sharing your good boy names if you have a good boy at home. You guys have all seen my good boy here. His name is Doc. He probably says hello. And if you really like this video, please consider subscribing. For every subscriber I get, I will go and tell Doc that he is a good boy. Good boy. And you don't want to deprive him of that now, do you? I usually do a lot of sewing, crafting and fun related videos here on this channel, and I usually try and upload every week or so. With all that being said, I will see you guys next week. Goodbye! She's been away for months, but I haven't cheated once. Stayed home nights, didn't